Welcome to our humble abode. Seller always on our tail. We have to move around like nomads.
Your mission has priority. You will
Well,
get relief.
You get the picture.
Shit! All units, outpost to rig to blow. Fall back to the green line. Stay mobile.
Hello, sweetheart.
Hold on, Michael. I'll be with you in a moment.
Welcome home.
Seller's hammering us with digital artillery. Our network is being torn apart. Get us back online, now! Damn it.
Claire.
Using reflectors to bounce the signal.
Yeah, I don't give a shit. We need to get back online.
Claire.
God. Michael. What a day. We lost some good people. I was trying to contact Dane when... What the... Oh no. No.
Claire. This is Prophet, my CO from...
Look at the modifications, Michael! Is it Seth? Cell? Is it even human? Have we been sacrificing good people for that mutation?
Look.
This is not just a suit, Michael.
Claire. 5 months now we've been here. The balance of asymmetrical warfare favors us less every day. This was meant to be our Normandy. But alas, here we are in hiding. We nibble here, we nibble there, but we can't turn the tide, we can't build momentum. We need a game changer. Major Lawrence Barnes. The Prophet. Karl-Ernst Rasch. At your service.
Rash, I remember you.
Hold still, please. Recombinant DNA. Human. Seth. Synthetic. Incredible.
I can't get a read on you.
Oh, come now, Lawrence. What did you expect? I designed your suit, my dear fellow. Of course, it can't get a read on me. Claire's right. You know about the risk. So much power, but volatile and willful. Fractures. Tell me, did Michael brief you on our plans?
I'll brief him when we move out, sir. It's brilliant, boss. This will cripple Cell for good.
The situation is far worse than any of you can imagine. I have visions, glimpses of... We will take the fight to Cell. Shut down that energy nexus and end all this, or whatever they're doing will bring about the extinction of all life on this planet. Remember that.
You sound quite prophetic. Is that intentional? It's very apropos. Now, let's go save the species. Shall we?
Right then. Let's move out.
Watch yourself, Michael.
You know I will. Let's go. is Cell's energy nexus. System X. We knock out the dam, and Cell's core defenses are out cold.
They can't switch power from System X?
It's not on the same grid.
Explain this to me. Why a dam when they have an infinite power source in System X?
Redundancy?
Or maybe there's something about System X that scares them. Look, Psycho, how well do you know these people? Can we trust them? What's with her freaking out about my suit?
Don't know why. I don't ask. All I know, it was her team that got me out of the skinning lab. She saved my life. Stairs are blocked. We'll have to get the lift working somehow.
You want a hand?
No. Piss off.
I'm okay.
Okay, Romeo 1, this is Romeo Actual. I'm assuming control. I need a direct link to the nanosuit's visual output. Over.
Roger that. But only for as long as it's necessary.
Listen up. Intel suggests. Fuck that. We're 100% goddamn positive the Tin Man is in this quadrant. You know his MO. The dam will be his primary target. We're deep inside the Hades radar shadow. That means no guns on this one. It's down to you, assholes. So stick to the plan. Don't fuck around and cover each other. Any questions?
What's the meaning of life, Sergeant?
Fuck you, Gomez. All right, let's get out there and put a head on a stick already. Sting alert!
He's using arrows!
What is it?
Overwatch! It's gonna explode!
Subject confronted. Nanosuit entity has breached security perimeter. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Blacktail oversight. We have eyes on Prophet in Quadrant Delta 6. I say again, Delta 6. Request immediate QRS.
Come out and face us, you pussy!
Enveloping target.
Elevator shut down.
Lock it down. Lock it down.
Going nowhere. Charlie Actual, this is Point Harris. Prophet is trapped. Request fire support. Over.
I need support! I'm all alone!
Ceasefire! Ceasefire!
Romeo 1, Fulton Dam is fully automated, but the generators have failsafe overrides. Trigger the overrides, and we shut off the power.
generators. Over. Blacktail oversight. We have eyes on Prophet in Quadrant Delta 6. I say again, Delta 6. Request immediate QRS.
Subject now classified as primary target.
Okay, we're in.
Locate the overrides and shut this thing down.
He's in the generator room. Let's go, let's go. This
God
motherfucker.
damn it, there's no time. Let's rough it up a little.
This is Bigfoot. We have
One down. One more to go.
Now 70% falling.
Three, no, 4 cell QRF kill teams moving to your location.
Let's go.
And they've got attack helicopter. Whatever you're planning to do, boss, do it fast.
Romeo 1. Cell's power output is 65% and falling. Mission accomplished. E&E to Delta now. Move it.
Vibrations approaching maximum tolerance. All non-essential teams.
I've got something else in mind. I think you're gonna like it.
Romeo 1, we've gained a 60-minute window on the primary target. You have multiple cell units moving on your position. Do not jeopardize the goddamn mission now. Romeo 1, clear to proceed to the Nexus. I'm logging the hardware's explosive exfiltration as unpredictable and flat-out insane.
My name is Prophet.
You don't have a name. People have names. You have a call sign and a goddamn serial number.
And without me, you don't have a goddamn chance. So we both make the best of it. I need a sit rep.
Roger that. Cell's high-altitude defense system is completely offline, but it's not over. In fact, it's probably gonna get worse.
Cell's in full retreat, but they'll hold up at the Nexus base. Cell will probably try and turn this whole area into a kill zone. Watch out.
Man down! Man down!
Claire, Romeo Actual, Romeo 1. I'm in... still in a lockdown situation here. In the lift. Need assistance returning to HQ.
Romeo 1. Suck it up. We've got more pressing matters right now.
You're right, Psycho. She does grow on you. Think I'm starting to like her.
Bollocks.
Romeo 1, your primary target is in sight. The System X device is secured in a harvesting facility several hundred meters below ground level, but the control system is located directly above. You'll need to find a way up.
Threat of total system failure. Evacuate all civilian staff within a 15-mile radius.
Romeo 1, situation critical. Cell continues to operate the Nexus without power for the stabilization matrix. The whole thing could implode at any moment. We're initiating Operation Jackhammer. Bring the power output under control so System X can be safely shut down.
Roger that.
Warning. Emergency power harvesting facility immediately.
That fancy cloak won't save you, asshole!
On the 50, stand by!
Hey, move up!
Systemic threat. Cooling tower is operating outside of specified design metrics.
Romeo 1, you're approaching the harvesting facility. Locate the 2 power alternators. I need you to close them off fast so we can safely shut down the Nexus.
Registering unstable energy field levels as generators 5, 8. Catastrophic threat. Stabilization matrix is offline.
Okay, Romeo 1. Let's shut System X down for good.
Killed target.
There's something about this place. The visions.
The energy fields around the System X device aggravate the mesial temporal areas of the brain. We've witnessed hallucinations, feelings of deja vu, false memories, sometimes even full dissociative identity disorders.
I'm not crazy. The visions are predictions, not hallucinations.
Whatever you say, Romeo 1. Just stay on mission.
This is it. Shut the bastards down.
Thank you, Prophet. Thank you. Today we shall rise up and throw off our chains. This is the first day of our freedom.
Psycho, I'm in. Hacking the cell security overrides now.
Emergency power shutdown system request. Emergency power shutdown. Release control room to shut down system. Emergency shutdown in effect. Switching to backup generators. Projecting System X containment view. Warning. System X containment failed.
What? No. They couldn't have been that stupid. The Alpha Ceph.
Prophet, you okay?
Yeah.
That was fucking awesome! We've done it!
No, we haven't. System X, their energy source, was the Alpha Ceph.
Oh, fuck me. If your visions are real, does that mean it's end of the world time?
No, it means the bastard's out in the open. It means I can kill him.
I just scraped this from Cell's databanks. Looks like we just broke out their biggest secret. That creature was the source of Cell's energy.
The Alpha Ceph. He's way more powerful than I expected. But when I was near him, I saw things the Ceph didn't want me to see. If they can get into my head, maybe I can get into theirs and find a weakness. Psycho, you know of a suit cradle nearby?
Yeah. At the skinning lab where Cell held me.
Let's link up there in 30 mics.
Be careful in there, Michael. There are some things you can never forgive.